Hi students, with respect to NCERT text exercise 4.1, some more equations we are going to check whether they are quadratic equations or not. I am going to consider the first one. So the first question is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times x minus 3. So you observe the LHS is in the form of x plus 1 whole square and the RHS is 2 times the x minus 3. So that means here we need to apply a plus b whole square. So we know a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity. The identity we need to use here to expand this x plus 1 whole square. So with respect to that, we can write as x square plus 2 times a means x, b means 1 plus the b square is equal to 2 times x 2x minus 2 3s are 6. So keep on simplification this is 2x plus 1 2x minus 6 remains as it is. So x square plus 2x, transfer this 2x to LHS from RHS, that becomes minus 2x plus 1, and I can shift that minus 6 also to LHS, that become plus 6, that is equal to 0. So if you simplify this, you are going to get x square plus 6 plus 1 7, this is equal to 0. So once again we can observe the degree of this equation is 2 is there, hence it is yes, it is a quadratic equation. So it's very clear. So once again we can observe that. So here middle term is not there, means x term is not there, but however the degree is 2, hence it is in the pure form. So therefore it is a pure quadratic equation. So one more example we are going to take now. So the second example in your NCERT textbook, so that is x square minus 2x, that is equal to minus 2 times 3 minus 6. So this is also very similar. So first you write the LHS part as it is, because that is already in the simplified form. Further simplification is not needed. Simplify the RHS part by multiplying minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, and minus into minus plus 2x. So once again I am going to shift all the RHS term to LHS, so that becomes x square minus 2x remains as it is. This 2x comes this side, that also becomes minus 2x, and this minus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but x square minus 4x, because both the terms having same sign, so we need to add, and by keeping the same sign. So therefore minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Once again the square term is present, hence it is once again yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now I am going to take one more example from your textbook, exercise 4.1 only, to check whether it is quadratic equation or not. So just you see the given question is x plus 2 whole cube, that is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So directly we can't tell by looking into that. The degree is the x plus 2 power is 3, so hence you can't decide it is a quadratic or not. So we need to simplify. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So you know the formula, a plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So like that you expand this. So no problem, one step you can expand and see. So x cube plus 2 cube, in place of b 2 is there, in place of a x is there. So like that you expand. 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2. So you are going to get x cube plus 8 plus 6x into x plus 2. So nothing but x cube plus 8. 2 cube means 8. So it's what? 2 into 2 into 2 plus 6x into x, 6x square plus 6x into 2, 12x. So this is what? The expansion of x plus 2 whole cube. So in place of x plus 2 whole cube, now I am going to write this much as it is. So that is x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x. So on the other hand, so you need to multiply 2x and x square minus 1. You are going to get 2x cube minus 2x. So here you can observe one x cube term is present in the LHS and 2 more present in 2x cube present in RHS. So if you simplify by transposing this to LHS, the rest term you write as it is, no problem, just we are verifying whether it is quadratic or not. So that becomes plus 2x. So here if you simplify, you are going to get minus x cube, because this is 2x cube and this is 1x cube. 2 minus 1 is 1, but bigger number sign is minus 2. So minus x cube remains, and the rest term remains as it is, sum, and sum you can simplify. But here just you are verifying whether it's quadratic or not. So therefore no need to simplify full. So x cube term is present here. Hence it is not a quadratic equation. I think you may understand to finish all the exercise problem related to 4.1.